Mike here. How are you? I'm here at the Central Block. Yan, in New Valley. No? This is inside New Valley. This is my second video on this commercial area. No? So 18 hectares more or less. 37 lots. It's right smack at the center of New Valley residential areas. No? So it will look something like this. Yan, yan. Ganyan. Amidst all the villages. No? And some condominium ng Avide and Amayo over there. Then there's a bunch of Ayalan Premier villages at this part. As ito, Trevilla, Avide Central Valley, and Ridgeview along New Valley Boulevard. No? Exciting to. Since grocery, yeah, it's in the middle, no? Mary Mart by the Double Dragon Group, Jollibee, Tan Katyong family, and Injapsia family, no? So, nag-joint venture sila. They're doing groceries. Ito yun, no? So, it's going to be in the middle. Then, Ayala Malls will put selected shops, no? So, yun yung mga kulang, I think, ng mga other commercial areas here. Whether it's an Ayala or other non-Ayala, no? Na walang anchor, no? Or delayed yung anchor. Dito, they made sure that the anchor commercial areas are developed first before they turn over to the owners. So lot owners dito 900 to 1,000 square meters yung 37 lots. So they're going to build ganito, no, mga 4 to 5 stories na building surrounding the Mary Mart grocery and the shops at Central Block. Exciting to since anything that's beside the school, especially a Filipino-Chinese school, real estate values na tend to be very high. Think of yung mga buildings in Green Hills, dun sa Ortigas Avenue, the buildings along Pasay Road, along Bel Air, yung Jupiter. So medyo magandang value niyan. So this is an opportunity. Building owners or mga nagla-land bank o something like this, no? They're offering very generous payment terms. I think Ayala's very bullish about the area. No? They want to make it parang ito yung piece de resistance nila, meaning the best possible estate because they will pattern the other estates dito sa New Valley. No? There's a building frenzy here by Ayala, no? yung Solinad nila, because si SM is making a mall just outside New Valley, no? Behind Qualimed. Qualimed is the hospital brand of Ayala. No? Behind it, merong SM na it's not an ordinary SM. Temporarily, they're calling it as SM Yulo Premier. Parang Aura yan, no? Parang SM Aura and Podium, not the typical SM. So, syempre, Ayala will not allow their malls to be left behind because this is their territory, no? But it benefits the area and the locators, no? The residents as well, no? Na maraming choices. Ang balita ko, SM will have 1 hectare, 10,000 square meters na open air conditioned na park. I don't know how it goes, but si Ayala, I think they'll be integrating yung Solinad 2, 3, and 4 no? Along with the Uniqlo, Landers, SNR area no? So wala pang plans, hindi pa lumalabas, but we're all excited about it. The driving range here inside New Valley is doing very, very well. People from inside New Valley and ang surprising niya, no? People outside of New Valley, even as far as Ayala, Alabang, and the other super south areas, they go there, no? Hanggang 300 yards yung distance ng driving range, and then they have great food. Well, I've tried it, yeah, masarap nga. And beer, it's for the family, daming bata, daming families who are going there in during weekdays, weekends. It's always full, no? Maganda yung response. So people are quite excited with that trend, with what will happen here. So yung mga relocators, one of my clients will be building a property here, no? Napaparent out niya, is excited, no? Gusto niya maunang maging lessor sa bank. Yan, yung ground floor kasi it's very suitable for banks, no? I was surprised that you can also build here and sell it as a residential condominium. Meron din for schools, tutorials, and many other things. So Central Block, if you need more info, they're doing 100 to 120,000 pesos per square meter for 900 to to 1,000 square meters yung size, no? And they offer generous payment terms, unthinkable coming from Ayala. Okay, so yun muna. Just wanted to let you know that there are many things happening inside New Valley, no? Easily 200, 300 construction sites going up right now. If you need any information, let me know. Give me a ring, drop me a line. My number's there. Again, Realtor Mike saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.